Hidden in plain sight, at the heart of North Wales, lies a landscape of extraordinary beauty. The Vale of Clwyd. A valley shaped by nature, yet marked by a turbulent past. Rising above it, the Clwydian range stretches for more than 30 kilometres. Its sweeping hills concealing countless stories, ancient sites and small communities that have called this landscape home for generations. Here we hike into the wilderness to discover the largest Iron Age hill fort in Wales. And following 12 months of training, we take to the skies to experience the Vale of Clwyd from a completely different perspective. Join us on this Basecamp adventure, exploring this Welsh secret from the land and from the sky. For this trip, we pitch at the Caravan and Motorhome Club CL at Lleweni Parc, home to Denbigh Gliding Club. Tucked away in a quiet corner of the active airfield, this rustic 5-pitch CL offers uninterrupted views across the wide open landscape, with the evocative Clwydian hills rising in the distance. For those interested in aviation, the CL is situated directly behind an operational hangar, making it an ideal spot for watching aircraft and gliders operating from the airfield. Lleweni Park offers more than aviation. Surrounding the airfield is a peaceful and largely undiscovered nature trail, winding through the countryside and past a series of small lakes. Perfect places to stop and enjoy a picnic. The path quietly follows the Afon Alwyn, with the Clwydian range always rising in the distance, and sweeping views across the Vale of Clwyd opening up along the way. Venture further and more hidden lakes begin to reveal themselves, each offering a haven for wildlife and accompanied by little more than the sounds of nature. And all of this is just one step from your pitch. The late afternoon of the first day presented an opportunity to continue my early solo flights under the supervision of an instructor from the ground. For around 30 minutes, I practiced searching for and staying aloft in light lift, before returning to the airfield for a circuit and landing on Denbigh Gliding's famously narrow tarmac runway.
Traffic, Golf Echo, downwind left, 27. Give that 60 knots. Look at that, looking great. Going down, going flying, no, keep it flying, 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 don't balloon, keep it flying, keep it flying. Oh, perfect. Against it back. To the brakes.
So we're on our pitch here at Lleweni Park, where I've been learning to glide for the past 14 months. We all know what the dog's waiting for. There you go, darling. And if we look out the window there, beautiful view across to the Clwydians. We'll be exploring those hills tomorrow. And if we go out the back, it's a bit industrial out the back, but what to expect from an active airfield. We've had a good day, we've done some exploring, and I've been gliding. Did my 10th solo flight, didn't I, dog? And you barked your head off here while you waited. So the plan for this evening, I'm going to get a bit of a barbecue on. Fridge is looking a bit light. I've got some salmon there, going to barbecue that with those sausages, some coleslaw and salad. If the dog plays the cards right, you might get a sausage too. So it's the first night. Just having a wash, cleaning my teeth, getting ready for bed. I tell you, it's great to be back out in the base camp, especially at such a beautiful spot. So let's see what the dog's doing. Oh yeah, nothing changes there. Straight in my spot, dead centre. Good morning from the base camp. Somebody snored like a trooper all night, didn't they, dog? And it wasn't me. Look at the view out of that window this morning. That's absolutely stunning. We'll be in those hills shortly. So the plan for today. I've got a 10-mile hike planned on the Clwydian Hills, which are just behind the airfield here. So we're there where the blue dot is. We'll have to have a very short drive to the start of the walk. And the route takes us on the Office Dyke path up onto Penycloddiau. Now Penycloddiau has the remains of the largest Iron Age fort in Wales up on that summit. In fact, all of the Clwydian summits had an Iron Age fort on them, so it must have been quite a spectacle back in its day. So we're going to do that walk. I'm not sure if we'll do the full walk because the temperatures are coming up quite high shortly, so it might be a bit warm for the dog. But we'll see how we get on with that. But before we do, let's make our lunch. I'm going to prepare the sausages left over from last night's barbecue.
The route to Penycloddiau Hillfort instantly reveals why this area has been designated a national landscape. Miles of unspoilt countryside unfold across the rolling hills, stretching as far as the eye can see. Quiet footpaths wind through the landscape, still largely untouched by the masses, offering a rare sense of peace and solitude. Penycloddiau is the largest and most impressive hill fort in the Clwydian range, sitting around 440 metres above sea level, with commanding views across the Vale of Clwyd. Archaeological excavations have revealed that people were using this summit as far back as the Bronze Age, with the earliest known defences dating to around 12th century BC, more than 3,000 years ago. Over the centuries, the settlement was repeatedly rebuilt and strengthened. Massive banks, ditches and stone ramparts eventually enclosed a community of roundhouses, with more than 40 possible house platforms identified within the fort. It's remarkable to consider that people were looking across the Vale of Clwyd from this very spot thousands of years ago.
So we're back from our walk in the hills. The dog is absolutely exhausted. What a fabulous walk, beautiful up there, quite magical up in the Clwydians, I have to say. Just been chatting to the chap in the motorhome over there. He's extended his stay. He was going to go home today, but he's staying on for the rest of the weekend, and I do not blame him. Just look at the view out there. Just look at it. It's absolutely stunning. So the plan for this afternoon. So we're either just going to relax around the base camp for the afternoon. The wife's on her way over and we're going to the Dunauban Arms for our tea tonight. Or in the meantime, I'm going to try and get on the gliding schedule this afternoon. See if I can get a solo flight on the cards, but I will need signing off by an instructor and supervising, and also there'll have to be availability of the glider, so we'll see. If not, I think I'm just going to sit in that seat there and enjoy the show.
The planets align, allowing for the final launch of the day, as the afternoon thermals offer one last opportunity to climb high above the Vale. Just 2 short miles from Lleweni Parc lies the Dunauban Arms, a much loved and beautifully positioned gastropub in the village of Bodfari. Its outdoor terraces provides diners with uninterrupted views across the Clwydians and the Vale itself.
There's a whole section of teeth that are bent over. Oh dear. So there's an awful lot of work involved in this. Good morning from the base camp. Wife's in there somewhere. I don't know what the dog wants. There we go, sweetheart.
It might just be that the Clwydian Hills offer some of the finest hill walking in Wales. The unspoilt countryside of the Vale is beautiful in its simplicity. Then there's the history woven through this ancient landscape. And the castles scattered across the Vale, each with stories still waiting to be told. And perhaps, just perhaps, the small, rustic and wonderfully simple sea owl at Lleweni Parc is the perfect place from which to experience it all. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next adventure very soon.